In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink on Microsoft Teams. With the move to digital collaboration, mastering tools like Microsoft Teams can significantly enhance your communication and productivity. If you've ever wanted to share web resources directly within your messages without pasting long, cumbersome URLs, creating hyperlinks is the way to go. Let me guide you through the process. So by the end, you'll be adding links with ease, making your messages cleaner and more effective. First things first, you'll need to sign into Microsoft Teams. Simply navigate to the Microsoft Teams website on your preferred browser. There, click on the Sign In button and enter your account credentials. This will take you directly into the main interface of Teams, where all your chats and team spaces reside. Once you're signed in, head over to the Chat section. You can find this on the left sidebar, symbolized by a small speech bubble icon. Clicking on this will reveal your recent chats. Now, select the chat where you want to insert your hyperlink. This could be a one-on-one conversation with a colleague or a group chat with multiple team members. Just click on the particular chat to open it. Inside your chat, you'll notice a plus icon near the bottom where you typically type your message. Click on this icon to expand your formatting options. This step is crucial because it reveals all the rich text features that Teams offers, including the option to add hyperlinks. Click on Show Formatting Options to bring up the full message composition box, complete with all formatting tools. It's in this expanded view that you'll be able to craft messages with various formatting features beyond just hyperlinks. Next, type in the text you want to turn into a hyperlink. This could be anything like click here, or a specific call to action like visit our website. Once your desired text is in the message box, highlight it by double-clicking. This action selects the text, signaling that you want to add a hyperlink to this particular segment. After highlighting, look for the hyperlink icon. It's usually represented by a chain link symbol. Clicking on this icon opens a small window where you'll be prompted to type in or paste the URL you want your text to link to. Ensure your URL is correct. A simple copy and paste from your browser's address bar can help avoid any typos. Once you've entered the URL, it's time to finalize the hyperlink by clicking on Insert. This action embeds the web address into your selected text, transforming it into a clickable hyperlink. And that's it. You've successfully added a hyperlink to your message in Microsoft Teams. Your chat participants can now click on the link text to directly access the web resource you've shared. This not only makes your messages look cleaner, but also facilitates easier access to important links. Remember, mastering these small, powerful features in Microsoft Teams can significantly improve your digital communication, making it more efficient and impactful. Happy linking, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to elevate your team's experience.